Sup everyone, Tiny Dog here, and welcome to my how to install mods for Minecraft 1.2.5. In this video, we'll be covering all these awesome mods and the basic mod loaders that you need. We're gonna be downloading Mod Loader and Minecraft Forge, NEI, not enough items, Buildcraft, Industrial Craft, Red Power, Equivalent Exchange, and Forestry Mod, and Wireless Redstone, and Teleport and Logistic Pipes. Hopefully those are updated. I'm not sure now that I think of it, but let's see. So the first thing you always want to do is make a backup folder of your current Minecraft folder so that you do not lose anything important. So to get to your .minecraft, you just type %app data, %app data %sign, if I can find it. There we go. And you hit enter in your search bar, and there it is on top, .minecraft. Okay, so usually what I'll do is I'll make a folder on my desktop just so I can see it easily, and I'll call it 1.2.5 backup. And basically what I do here is just open that .minecraft, and then you have your folders. So you just want to copy everything you have, and then you want to paste it inside that new backup folder, and that'll get all copied. Man, must have a lot of stuff. It's taking a while. Well, 394 items. I guess that's a lot. Okay, so now that I have my folder backed up, in case my whole thing messes up, I won't lose my previous save, and that's important. So what I usually want to do is start with a fresh .minecraft folder. So I'm gonna delete what's in my .minecraft, but you want to delete it after you make your backup. Very important. And we're gonna restart Minecraft so that we get a fresh install of everything that's up to date. And let me just put my password in here if I can remember it, which is, I think, that. Okay, so now it's going to download all the Minecraft files to have a fresh Minecraft install. See, 1.2.5, and we'll close that. So now if I go to my .minecraft folder, which I made a shortcut, we have all the files, and everything is brand spanking new. And this is how you want to start usually if you're going to download a bunch of mods, and this is what I usually do. So that's done. That's the first step. We can close that. Next step is going to be downloading all the necessary files for what we want to install. So I want all these mods so that I can do my Let's Play, and I'm really comfortable with all these mods as I've been playing them, and I love these mods pretty much. So the first thing we want to do is open up Google and type in the Google search Mod Loader 1.2.5. Now we go here, and usually what I like to look for is the Minecraft forum post for this, because usually that's the place I trust the most to get my downloads. So let me see if I can put alright, so I just put mod loader, and right here we see it, version 1.2.5 Rizugami's mods. So I'm gonna click that link and scroll down, and we should find right here Mod Loader 1.2.5. Okay, so I'm gonna download direct because AdFly is very annoying. So I'm gonna save the file, and of course I do not Let me go in my options for Firefox real quick, because I want to make a folder on my desktop that pretty much is going to hold all the files, which I should have done. I kind of forgot. So what I'm going to do, make another new folder, and I'm going to call it new mods. And now when I open up Firefox, I'm going to go to my options. No, right here, options. And then right here where it says save files, I'm going to save all the files I download to that folder, which is right here, new mods. Okay, and I'm going to select that folder, select folder, and now all this stuff is going to download into that folder. Click OK, and I think that should be it. So let's download ModLoader 1.2.5 direct, and let's see if it downloads into the right folder. I hope so. Let's see, open containing folder. There we go. So my first file, ModLoader, is in the new mod in my folder. So everything's going to be neatly together, and it'll be easier to install everything after. Okay, so the next file we want to download is ModLoader. So up here in the top right is my Google search bar, and I'm just going to type ModLoader MP. And we look right here, and it looks like 1.2.5 ModLoader MP only. So it's like he just updated that, and here it is. Let's see, I'm in the Australian business. Okay, well, he's just giving you an update on his ModLoader MP updates, and we're gonna download that client, and it's AdFly, of course, so we're gonna have to wait 5 seconds. Great. And skip ad when you just saw the answer. You're not really skipping it, and you're gonna save the file. And if we just check just to make sure, it's in our mods folder, the new mods folder that I put on our desktop. So that's working good. Alright, next up is I just want to check to see if audio looks like he didn't do the audio mod. Just looking here. Alright, so I'm not really gonna worry about that right now. Okay, so the next file we want to download is Minecraft Forge. So we type in Minecraft Forge, and right here on top we have API Minecraft Forge, which is another very important file that you need to run these mods. Oh, it looks like they have their own forum. Okay, so let's open that MinecraftForge.net. Whoa, looks like they got a little fancy. And I'm guessing we want to look at right here, releases. Okay, main Forge download April 23rd. So let's click that link. We use an order, blah blah blah. So I'm guessing this is updated then. Kind of got everything a little crazy here. Not really liking it, but let's see. Recommended. This build has been tested and reported to work. Okay, so I want to download right here where it says downloads direct. I'm gonna download the client. Let's see where that takes us. Okay, so it looks like 3.1.2.94 is the current version, I hope. So we're gonna save that, and we'll find out if it doesn't work. Okay, so that's done, and let me close this because we don't need that. And our next mod we're gonna download is Not Enough Items, which is great to find out recipes for items or to just cheat. And it looks like right here it says 1.2.5 SMP chicken bones mods. So let's click that, It takes us right to the Minecraft forum. And it looks like he has a poll out, which is cool. Okay, so we need to download two things. We're gonna have to download this Code Chicken Core, and we're also gonna have to download Not Enough Items, because for Not Enough Items to work, you need the Code Chicken Core. So we open up that spoiler, and we're going to get the latest version, and we're going to download the client, and of course that is AdFly, because they need their $5 really bad. And we're going to save that Code Chicken Core client 0.5.2. okay, that's saved, and then we'll go back to that Minecraft forum, and we're going to download Not Enough Items, which should be right here for 1.2.5. And wow, here we go. Alright, now it says right here, not enough items must be installed in the jar. So that's good to remember. Not enough items, and we're gonna need this. So let's download that, and it's another AdFly. We'll skip the ad, and we will download Not Enough Items client 1.2.2. Let that download. All right, that's done. So let's go back to our search bar and start downloading some mods, because I believe Audio Mod is not 1.2.5, which is very confusing. I just want to look at this just to make sure. Audio Mod, it should be 1.2.5. Oh, okay, so here we go. So we're going to download Audio Mod 1.2.5, and this will pretty much give you those custom sounds such as Industrial Craft, with the chainsaw and the, all that good stuff. So we're going to save the Audio Mod 1.2.5 into our folder. Good. That's done. What's the next mod we're going to do? Buildcraft. Okay, so we're going to go to Buildcraft in our Google search bar. We're going to hit that button, and let's see. This is the main Buildcraft website, and we're going to be downloading a lot of other mods from this website. So it's mod-buildcraft.com. And let's see. It says after skipping Minecraft 1.2.4 is ready for release, and I really hope there will not be a 1.2.6 in the real future. Yeah, because that's the problem. These guys release a mod for a version of Minecraft, and then the next week they come out with a new version of Minecraft, and now they have to redo everything, and that can get pretty annoying. And then now we have to wait for them to update. So then, like, if we want to use all these mods together, we have to wait till all of them are compatible with the version of Minecraft, which is very annoying. But soon that'll be over when Minecraft introduces this new thing they're going to do where you can download mods directly from Minecraft, and it'll install everything for you, and it'll be all up to date. Who knows when that'll come out? But once that comes out, I don't get to make these lovely videos, but that's fine. So let's see. Now, okay, this is where it starts getting a little technical, because there are going to be two versions of Buildcraft. There's going to be this 3.1.5, which is the alpha release, which is going to have some new stuff that I still haven't used, come to think of it. And Buildcraft 2.2.14 is going to be the least buggy version. But Buildcraft 3.1.5 has not given me any problems. So I'm going to download that. So it has this link right here, and I'm going to click that, and now we have 5 lovely 1, 2, 3, 4, we have 6 files we have to download. So let's start downloading them, and they're all AdFly. That is so awesome. So let's start downloading. We got the core, which is very important to have. You need the core. All right, and then the next one is builders, so let's download that. Skip add and save. Okay, builders is done. Next is energy. Skip add. Save. Next up is factory. What is AdFly? AdFly is the most annoying thing ever. Alright, skip add and save. Go back. Next is transport. So yeah, this version has a lot of different pipes, and they're very interesting, very awesome, because you can do a lot of things with the pipes that I haven't even tried in any of my Let's Plays. And we're gonna go back and do silicone, derp, and wait for those 5 seconds of our life to pass by. Skip add and save file. Okay, so Buildcraft 3.1.5 is downloaded. No worries anymore about this. And I'm gonna leave this website, this modbuildcraft.com website, open because we're gonna come back to it. But the next mod I want to download is Industrial Craft. So I'm gonna go to my Google search bar and type Industrial Craft. And right here, Industrial Craft wiki. This wiki is very awesome because it'll tell you how to use everything. And here we go. So we got the latest updates, and this version right here is 1.95B, which is 1.25 compatible. So I'm gonna download that version 1.5B right here, 95B. Download for the client, and you're just gonna, it's a jar file, but don't worry, it's no problem. And we're gonna save that file. And Industrial Craft is downloaded. One file. Next is Red Power. Red Power is another awesome mod where you pretty much can control redstone to your liking, and also tons of other cool machines. There's a sorting machine, which will help you with your quarry and etc. And to download this, we have to go to Elaram's official blog. So she has the link right here. Okay, and on top, big fancy words, pre-release for Minecraft 1.2.5. So right here you see on the top right, download Red Power. We're gonna click that, and here we are. So we have all the files for 1.2.5. so we're gonna download each and every one of them. So we have core, it's the first one, and of course AdFly, because they need those $5. And save, and we'll go back and we'll download Logic, and waste 5 seconds of our life. Skip add and save. Go back and download wiring. You can put redstone on the walls. You can have redstone intersecting each other without them connecting to each other by using different insulations, and pretty much do whatever you want with redstone and keep it all compact without having to spread out your redstone. The next one is lighting, which I didn't use in my last Let's Play, and it's pretty much just gives you a different color lighting. You can do like red blocks or black blocks, and it's a cool feature just to decorate the house. And we save that. Next is the world, Red Power, and I believe this is where you can get your ores, your different kind of ores. Red Power gives you, and also gives you volcanoes, and it gives you Red Power trees, which are freaking huge, and you can make rubber out of them. And then the machines. The machines are the sort. You can make a sorting machine, a filter machine, um, and you can have these pneumatic tubes, which will help you with your sorting. You can sort everything by different color paint. So a lot of stuff, and that's not even the half. And last is control, which I really don't know what it is. Control might be, I'm not even gonna guess, so let's just download control. And we save that file. Okay, so red power is done. Thank God. Alright, so the next mod I want to download is equivalent exchange. So we're going to equivalent exchange. Type that in our Google search bar. And right here, equivalent exchange 2 Minecraft forum. Should be it. Okay, so here we are. And let's see. Need a hand? Yes, I need a hand. Where do I download it? Okay, so download. Just want to check something. I'm gonna go to their wiki because I just want to make sure this is the right version. So it looks like the version is this 1.4.4.0. Just looking at all these levels. Here we go. So it looks like there is a different if we look at the equivalent exchange wiki, and this is the address on top, it says right here, I was just reading, it says temporarily the mod is developed by Pahimar, and you can find his thread with a more updated version here. So I clicked that and it brought me to this 1.2.5 version of Minecraft, of equivalent exchange. So we're gonna have to go there because this one is only the 1.2.3 version, so which is maintained by this guy. So we want to go to the 1.2.5 equivalent exchange to Minecraft forum. So you want to make sure you recognize that. So right here it says the return of SMP. But wait, alright, so let's download this version on top here. And let's see if we can find the downloads. Equivalent exchange 2 for Minecraft 1.2.5. And I have these lovely Zigogamis, whatevers. And I got audio mod also. So here we go. The client version. I'm going to click that. Skip ad and download the client. So that's done. And equivalent exchange is downloaded. Now we're going to start downloading the oh no, actually we're going to go to forestry mod. Forgot about you. Forestry mod, we put that in our Google search. Let me close these pages. And right here, forestry for Minecraft, trees, bees, and more. So let's click that. And it looks like we got a version 1.4.4, but we got to make sure that is the right version. So we scroll down, download. It says all download links are now located at, I'm guessing, their wiki. So let's click that link. Alright, so we look here. Okay, so right here, forestry 1.4.4.2 for Minecraft 1.2.5 and Buildcraft 3.1.5. So remember that we downloaded this version of Buildcraft. Okay, we did not download this version of Buildcraft. Okay, so since we downloaded this version of Buildcraft, we have to download the forestry for that version. Very important, and please just think about it. And then look at this, does not work with Buildcraft 2. Whatever. So don't worry, don't download it if you did not. Do not download this version if you didn't download Buildcraft 3.1.5. It has to be that way because forestry is a Buildcraft mod. So if you're getting errors and it says forestry or it says Buildcraft, you probably download the wrong version. So I'm going to download this version. and click it, and it looks like it's just a jar, so we're just gonna save that file, and Forestry is downloaded. Sweet, we're doing good. All right, next up is wireless redstone. So we're just gonna type wireless redstone in our Google search bar, and right here, 1.2.5 wireless redstone. Nice and easy. And let's look at the download right here, 1.5 for 1.2.5. So we're gonna click that link and save that file, and now that's done. Okay, so looks like we're coming up to the end. Now we're gonna have to download teleport pipes. Now I have no idea if teleport pipes is updated, so we're gonna have to find out. Now on the Buildcraft main website, which is mod-buildcraft.com, and I'm gonna go to their forums. Okay, and I'm gonna scroll down here, and we're gonna look at this forum topic: related mods and texture packs. So let's click that. Okay, so now we have a lot of mods here, and what we're looking for is what am I doing? Oh, we're looking for teleport pipes. Okay, so that was a fail. I'm gonna go to my Google search bar and put teleport pipes. That was a fail. That was a fail. Buildcraft teleport pipes, and we're gonna click that. All right, so this is the old, very, very old very old version, which we're not going to download. So let's see if we can find the right one. Probably should have looked it up, but here we go. Buildcraft teleport. But this is not the I just don't like when I cannot find it on the Minecraft forum.net. So what I'm going to do in my search here is teleport pipes 1.2.5. Let's see what this link. See, I just don't trust these kind of sites at all. So I'm going to go back. And see, what am I doing here? Let's see. Oh, okay, so it looks like this might be it. 1.2.5 additional pipes. I think that's the official name. So I might have got that wrong. And we're going to just look here. Okay, so additional pipes is I believe, yeah, okay, so it is the teleport pipe. All right, so this is the site. This is the forum post. It says 1.2.5. Also for Buildcraft 3.15, additional pipes for Buildcraft, and then in parentheses he has teleport pipes. So this topic is the name of it. So you're gonna have to just put teleport pipes 1.2.5 and look for the Minecraft forum post. So that's good to have, and it was good that we found it that way. And we're gonna look for the download here. And right here we see we have two different versions. We have the version for Buildcraft 2.2, which I did not download. I downloaded Buildcraft 3.1.5. So we're going to want to download that client. Okay. So we click that link, and it takes us here, and we're going to download. And there we go. Save file. All right. So that's it's called additional pipes, not teleport pipes, but you'll still find it the way I found it. Okay. Now we're going to go back. Okay. So that's done. Now we're going to go back to the Buildcraft forum right here, and we're going to look at this one, Crafts Logistic Pipes. And we're going to click that. And let's see, right here it says Minecraft 1.2.5 Logistic Pipes for Buildcraft 3.x, which is our version. And it has a wall of text. Okay, let's see. Looks like, oh, they've even made a wiki, so that could be very useful. I do not know what the Minecraft mod public license is. Download direct, okay. Okay, right here. We have the Buildcraft 3.x, which is the version of Buildcraft we downloaded. And it says it's made for Minecraft 1.2.5, Buildcraft 3.1.5. So this is the version we're clicking. So I'm going to click that, and we're going to save that file. And that's all the mods. Just taking a quick look-see. That's all the mods. We have downloaded all the mods I want. Of course, you can download whatever mods you want, and hopefully they don't conflict, because there will be probably a little issue when we install, but we're going to fix that very easily. And now we're going to cheer, because that was pretty long, and we're going to look at a new mods folder. And as you can see, let me put this in a list. These are all the files, pretty much. Now, I with my previous install videos, a lot of people, the links change and they're never the same. And I don't know if I can put all these files into a zip file and then have you download that. Now, I know I can't do it through something like AdFly and make money, but if I do it a direct download from like Mediafire or something, you won't have to go through all those searching of websites. You can just download this whole pack. So that's something I'll think about, and hopefully not have any issues with the modders. But whatever, I don't really care, because I'm not gonna be making any money from this. So I don't know why would they get mad. So anyways, now we're gonna move up to the next step, which is to install all these lovely files into our Minecraft and get everything working and no issues, no black screens, no errors. So let's get right into it. Okay, so now let's start doing this installing. Alright, so first thing I want to do is open up my .minecraft folder. Okay, and then the second thing I want to do is open up that new mods folder that we put, where it has all our downloads. Okay, so we go into our our bin folder, okay, and we have this Minecraft file, and you can see it says executable jar file. Now you need WinRAR or 7-zip to be able to access the contents of this file. So I have WinRAR because I'm old school, and it says right here open with WinRAR. So I'm gonna open it with WinRAR. Now this comes up, and this is the inside of your Minecraft.jar file. So it has folders, it has all these class files, so a lot of stuff in here, a lot of stuff. Now the first thing we want to do is we see this meta-inf folder. We want to delete that, so I'm going to right click on that meta-inf folder, and I am going to delete. And it says, do I want to delete? And I say, hell yeah. Alright, so you need to delete that folder because nothing will work. Okay, so delete that meta-inf folder, as I like to call it, and now we can start installing these lovely files we spent so much time downloading. So the first thing you want to always usually you just want to install ModLoader first, okay, and then we're gonna you want to install your core files first. Very important, or else the necessary files won't be made and nothing will work. So ModLoader, that's the big guy. So we're going to open ModLoader with WinRAR, and ModLoader has its own contents here. And as you can see, it has these class files, and these class files are just like the class files in our Minecraft.jar. So you're in the right spot. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select all the class files in the modloader.zip, okay, and I'm going to click and I'm going to drag them right into the Minecraft.jar, let go, and I'm going to hit OK. And now all the files have been dropped into our Minecraft.jar. And if you want to make sure you did it, just scroll all the way to the bottom, and you'll see here, in our ModLoader zip, we had something called basemod.class, and it's right there, basemod.class. So we knew we installed that correctly. So now we're done with ModLoader. We're going to close that zip file. The next file we want to download is ModLoader MP. So we're going to do the same thing. We're going to open that with WinRAR. Okay, and close. And it has some similar files and some different files. So we're just going to select those and click and drag into our Minecraft.jar and hit OK. And that's done. And close our ModLoader MP. Next up is Minecraft Forge. Same thing, we're going to open with WinRAR. Okay, and we're going to, and now this one has 2 folders and also class files, so that's fine. We're going to select both folders and all the class files. And we're going to click and drag that right into our Minecraft.jar and hit OK. And that's done. So we can close Minecraft Forge. Next up is Audio Mod, which will give us the lovely sounds. And we're going to open that with WinRAR. And this has two folders and 1 class file. So we're just going to select the 2 folders in the class file and drag and drop. And hit OK. And that's installed. Next up is alright, so now we're going to have to install Not Enough Items. Now, of course, as you remember, we needed 2 files for Not Enough Items to work. And the first was the Code Chicken Core client. So we're going to put that one in first. So we'll open that with WinRAR. And let's see, we got a folder and 3 class files. So we're going to select all those and drag and drop and hit OK. And we're going to close that Code Chicken Core. Now we can install Not Enough Items. So we're going to open that with WinRAR. And select the folder and the 3 class files and drag and drop and hit OK. And that's done. Alright, so now what we're going to do now is before we decide to install our mods, we're going to check to see if we got everything going good, because these aren't necessarily mods, because, well, except for Not Enough Items, but these are necessary to get mods working, these files that we just installed into our Minecraft.jar. So what I like to do is I'm going to close the Minecraft.jar. I'm going to close this folder here, and I'm going to open up Minecraft. Okay, and I'm going to log in. And we got Mojang, so far so good. Everything's installed, everything's working, and we got up to this. So let's make single player. We're gonna create a new world. We'll call it just new world. Doesn't matter what you do. We're just gonna go inside the game and see if we get no errors, which is very important. And we're gonna load up the mod loader, and that's gonna make its own folders, and you know, we need that. Okay, so it looks like we're in the world, and I'm getting no errors. Everything is loading. I'm in a snow biome, and I'm gonna open up my inventory, and as you can see, we have all these lovely Not Enough Item options. So Not Enough Items is correctly installed, and as you can see, we got, you know, everything is here from vanilla Minecraft. Any items you want, you can get anything. Of course, Not Enough Items, you can get whatever you want. You can even get spawners. Got the music playing in the back. Holy cow. And so everything is installed correctly. So we've done that part and everything is installed. So now we can install our Minecraft. So there's a couple things you can do here. First, we're gonna quit this, close out Minecraft. Now, the smart thing, which I never did in my previous Let's Plays, is to make a backup of our .minecraft folder, because since we know it works, let's say we start putting these mods in and stuff gets hooey-dooey, at least we don't have to install mod loader again. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just select all the files here, okay, and I'm going to right click and I'm going to copy, and then I'm going to make a folder, let's say in this new mods folder. I'm just going to make a folder and I'm going to call it Minecraft with core stuff. Okay, and this will just hold this is like a working with mod loader and everything in NEI. So in case I mess up with these mods, I can go back to this and not have to worry about installing stuff again. And you can see I downloaded Battery from Metallica, and I did that for my iPod because I love Metallica. Okay, so Minecraft with course. All right, so I just made that backup folder. Now, I'm gonna open up my .minecraft folder here, and I'm gonna open up our folder that holds all our files. Okay, and now we're gonna start installing these lovely mods. So it doesn't really, I guess it doesn't really matter what order you're gonna do. So I'm just gonna do the order I usually do. And you can see in our .minecraft folder we have a new folder here called mods, which we didn't have before. So this is where we're going to install our mods, and we also have mod loader text document, which will if we get an error, we can go back to this document and it will tell us pretty much what's going on, what's wrong. So these are very important files. And see, we did the first load and everything was fine, initialized, it loaded everything was good to go. So no issues. So the first thing we want to do is open up this mods folder, and we have Buildcraft. So I'm gonna select the Buildcraft client, which is up to here, and I'm gonna copy and I'm gonna paste it right into the mods folder. Okay, and I'm gonna change that to a list. Okay, so Buildcraft is installed now. That's it. Pretty easy. Next up is IndustrialCraft. So IndustrialCraft, the same thing, is one file, which is a jar file. So we're just gonna copy and paste that jar file right into the mods folder, and that works. Next up is Red Power, and Red Power has a lot of files. So we're gonna select all of them like that, and we're gonna copy and we're gonna paste that right into there. Oh, that's just beautiful. And next up is Equivalent Exchange. Now Equivalent Exchange is a little different. What we're gonna do is open up that Equivalent Exchange file with WinRAR. Okay, because you cannot just put this in the mods folder. And it has a mods folder and a resources. So what we want to do is go back to our .minecraft folder right here and see how it has a mods and a resources, two folders, and we have two folders already in our .minecraft. So what it's saying is it wants you to copy these two folders right on top of these two folders. So we're just gonna select these two folders and drag and drop right into our .minecraft folder. And of course it's gonna say, do you want to replace this? So you just say yes, and that's it. And we're gonna close that Equivalent Exchange. Now if we look at our mods folder here, you can see it installed the mod Equivalent Exchange, and in the resources folder it, I'm guessing, added some sounds, so it's all in there, nothing to worry about. So that's done. Equivalent Exchange, a little bit different but very easy, so nothing to worry about. Next up is wireless redstone, and no, I don't want to do what I said. Next up is additional pipes, which is teleport pipes, and that is pretty much just a copy. And we're gonna go into our mods folder here, and we're gonna paste that right into the mods folder. And after that is logistics pipes, which is same thing. Just copy that file and paste it into the mods folder. Awesome. And next up is forestry mod, which is just a jar file. So we're just gonna copy that jar file and paste it right into our mods folder. And last but not least is wireless redstone. Now wireless redstone, a little bit different, of course. This you have to install directly into your jar file. So what we're going to do is in our .minecraft folder, we're going to go back to bin and back to our Minecraft jar. And we're going to open that Minecraft jar with WinRAR or 7-zip, whatever you have. Okay, and then we're going to open up wireless redstone with WinRAR. close. And as you can see, it has all class files and 2 folders. So pretty much just like installing the mods from before. So we're going to select the 2 folders and all the class files. Click, drag, and drop right into our Minecraft jar. And now wireless redstone is installed. Okay, so now that is everything. That is all the mods. We could close our Minecraft jar. If we want to go back and just give a quick look at our mods folder, let's see. We got Buildcraft, we got teleport pipes, we got equivalent exchange, forestry, industrial craft, logistic pipes, and red power, and then wireless redstone we installed in the jar. So everything that I want to install is done. Now let's say you have some other mods and all they say is, you know, put the folder in, put the zip file into your mods folder. Then all you would do is just pretty much copy and paste, just like this. You just got to make sure it's, you know, it's compatible with other mods. So that's at your own risk. I know all these mods work so great together, and makes Minecraft for me very, very fun. And so now here's the big test. We're gonna have to test and see if all these mods were installed correctly, if I'm not just talking a lot of junk. So I'm gonna close, and we should get an error. I'm gonna tell you right now, we should get an error, and it's gonna be a block ID error if nothing has changed. So I don't know why my dog's barking. Okay, so let's log into Minecraft, and I'm guessing there's gonna be an error. In a perfect world, it wouldn't be an error, but this error is what happens every time you install these mods together. It's a block ID error. As you can see, our Mojang is loading, but oh, looks like they resolved that. Wow. So we're not gonna get an error. I'm kind of excited right now. So now we got Minecraft to load, so everything's loaded. Let's go to single player, and let's delete that previous world we made because that's old news. And we're gonna create a new world and just see if we can see if everything's working. Okay. Wow. All right, we're in. We're in, guys. We're in, and just go and get a sec for stuff to load up so we can get rid of this lag a little bit. And let's. Before I check, I just want to see if I can spot any of the mod specific stuff in our world. Because that, you know, there's 2 ways to check to see if the mods are working. One is just open up your not enough items, and another is just to look around. Maybe you'll see an oil slick. Maybe you'll see red power trees. Right there, I see rubber trees. I'm going to show you. Oh, I like that cobblestone structure down there. That's cool looking. So good thing we got no errors. Looks like they fixed the issues from the last version, which is awesome. So right now I see these trees, right? They see these trees, and they got the little thing, looks like a middle finger. They're sticking up the middle finger. That is industrial craft. So we're just gonna go here, and as you can see, right here, these trees, they got the little orange thing. That's industrial craft. So I know industrial craft is working. So we go into our NEI, and this right here is I think red power or forestry or something. So we go and we look in our NEI. Now we have 19 pages. Previously we had 6. So these are all. This is industrial craft. So that's installed correctly. Uber, man, they added a lot of stuff. And here we have a booze barrel. So this is industrial craft. I think they added brewing, which is, I have to give them credit. That's pretty damn awesome. This is equivalent exchange, dark matter, all the red matter, all the cool things. Equivalent exchange. I mean, they got tons of stuff. So that's working. These right here is forestry mod. You can pack up stuff here. They got Wow, they got builders backpacks, so a lot of new features for forestry. They're really going in. Of course, bees. They got the bees. You can go beekeeping. Logistic pipes are working. These are all the different epic logistic. If it wasn't for logistic pipes, I mean, your life would be a lot harder. Let's just say it that way. This is more forestry stuff, and Bronze Gear's forestry appetite. Here, teleport pipes. It's working. Yes. Remember, you had to download this right teleport pipe version for the right version of Buildcraft. Don't forget. So that's good. This is Buildcraft right here. Got your gears and Red Power. Red Power is installed. Wow, they got floppies. I have no idea what that's for. Paintbrushes. This is awesome. This is all Red Power stuff, which is so epic. You can thank Elaram. And more Red Power. And this is some vanilla stuff. Vanilla. Okay, Industrial Craft. Industrial Craft. Transformers. Reinforced. This is all the goodies. This is Red Craft ores. Red Power lights. And whoa, look at the central processing unit. Wow, I gotta find out what is that. Red Power? Did they just have computers in our... Wow. And we got forestry mods. Now you can see here forestry has its own tin ore, and if we look at Industrial Craft has its own tin ore. But the good thing is these are all compatible with each other. The only problem with having 2 different tin ores or 3 different tin ores is it makes your sorting for your let's say a quarry or your sorting system, it can be kind of a pain because it's a redundancy, and you might not have enough slots, so you might have to do stuff. So I'm going to show you a way to disable the 2 tin ores, because there's going to be 3 tin ores. There's going to be 1 for forestry, 1 for Industrial Craft, and 1 for Red Power. See right here? So there's 3 tin ores in the world. There's going to be 3 copper ores in the world. 1 copper ore here. I know the other copper is somewhere here. 1 copper ore here. And of course we have Industrial Craft. So 3 kind of copper ores, 3 kind of tin ores, and we only need 1. And it doesn't matter which one you pick because they're all compatible with each other in all the mods, which is why this mod pack right here, it works so well together. So I'm gonna show you how to disable 2 of the ores. Now that's a personal preference. You can have all 3 ores, it doesn't matter. Me personally, I only like to have 1 just because of my sorting system. But once again, you can have all 3 and everything will be perfectly fine. Do not worry about it. So that, don't worry about it. So forestry mod, this is Buildcraft oil, equivalent exchange. This is Red Power switches, Red Power wiring. This is Red Power tubing, and this is some vanilla. Oh, this is right here wireless redstone, which is epic. And this is vanilla stuff. Vanilla. What is this? Sandstone. 2 different kinds of sandstone. That's cool. This is slabs. Alright, so everything is installed. So that's it. We're done. This is how you install all these mods, get everything working. And you can go right now and get your pickaxe or get your mining drill, which right here, and start mining stuff. So everything is in working shape, and I hope you found this video informative. And if you want to stay, I am going to show you how to just disable the tin ores and the copper ores, so we don't have 3 different kinds. You can see right here I have a copper ore that I just drilled, and look right a little bit to the left or right here, there's the different kind of copper ore. So right now, look, see how they don't stack? So we have 2 different kinds of copper ore when we only need 1. So I'm just going to show you how to disable that. So let's get out of here. Everything works. Yippee. Thank you for watching the video, and let's just disable these ores before I end it. Let's see. Sopa means loser in Swedish. Yes, Sopa is no bueno. Okay, so now let's go back to our .minecraft folder here. And let's disable these ores. 2 of the 3 ores. We don't want to disable all the ores. Group by name. No, I didn't want to do that. Group, so sort by name. There we go. All right, so we need to get into the config file here, and I'm gonna leave industrial craft ores. So I'm gonna leave the industrial craft copper and the industrial craft tin. And to do that, we go to our config file, and we're going to go to forestry. Now there's a lot of mod folder config files, so I'm just going to try to find the right one. Okay, so here it is. So let me show you how I got here. Now I went to .minecraft folder, go to your config folder, go to your forestry folder here, and go to the base config file right here. You're going to want to open that with Notepad if you haven't already. So you open with Notepad, hit OK, and now that opens up our config file for forestry mod. So now if we look here, there's a lot of code here. We don't really want to mess with a lot of this stuff. But on the bottom here, you see it says right here, world generate tin equals true. So I do not want to generate 10. So instead of true, I'm going to put false. World generate copper. True. I don't want it to generate copper. I want it to be false. And that's it. Okay. And we're going to hit file and save. So now the forestry copper and the forestry tin will not be in our game, which is what I want. And it's, like I said again, it's not something you need to do. This is just my preference. Okay, so that's done. So now we need to disable one more, and that's the red power copper and tin. So now we're gonna have to look for that. Let's see. Nope. Let's go back. Okay, red power has its own folder in the .minecraft folder, and looks like we got 2 config files here. So I'm gonna pick the first one. Okay, and this is it. And right here, look at this. They put it right here. It says generate, which is generating copper, silver, and tin. So if 1 is true, I'm guessing 0 is false. So copper equals 1. I'm going to just change that to 0. And tin equals to 1. And I'm going to put that to 0. And I'm going to hit file and save. And now it will not generate, red power will not generate the copper and the tin. And that's pretty much all it is. Now, in the industrial craft will be the only mod that generates copper and tin. So I do not have 3 different of each. So that's pretty much it. A couple other things if you want to look at is, let's see if I can find it. That's going to be the problem here. Let me see if I can find it. Okay, so now with red power, for me, let's say I'm doing a let's play and there's a lot of noise. And one thing with red power is a clicking noise for your machines. It goes click, 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 click. That can get annoying, and if that annoys you, you can always disable the sound. So right here it says logic enable sounds, and you just put 0 to disable the sound. Now, of course, you usually want to keep the sound because that's part of the mod, you know. But if you don't want to, then just disable it by putting 0. So I'm just gonna put 0 and I'm gonna save it. This is just my preference. You do not have to do this at all. And that's it. So I'm gonna close that red power. And the same thing I'm gonna do with industrial craft. Industrial craft, their machines, like when you're trying to do a let's play, there's like 20 machines around you, and they're making the craziest noises, and it's hard. You gotta always lower. So I'm gonna disable industrial craft sounds. So let's see if I can find that. Let's go to config. We got 2 industrial craft config files. So let's open the first one. Let's see if I can find this. Okay, here we go. Enable sounds. So sounds enable equals true. Sorry, industrial craft. I am going to put false because your noises are epic. Okay, and that's it. That's as much configuring I'm doing. Now look at all these options. They got tons of different things you can do. Just leave them if you want to keep the mod like it is, but of course you can make the power of a nuke ridiculously crazy, or make it not that crazy. So there's a lot of things you can change in the config file, but you're at your own risk, and if you have problems, then don't even look at me. That's your fault. And always, of course, make a backup. And that's pretty much it, guys. Of course, if there's any questions, to leave a comment. Leave a comment on the video page. Send me a personal message. Post on my Minecraft forum. You know, just don't be scared to ask. I mean, I'll answer as much as I can. And usually my lovely fellow subscribers and viewers, they answer also questions. I'm gonna put all these files right here. I'm gonna put all these files in a zip file, and I'm gonna put it out there, but I'm just not sure if any modders are gonna be mad. I hope you don't. You modders, if you happen to find this video, do not get mad, because I'm doing this for my viewers, and you know they're always asking. They always want to play your mods, but they can't because they can't install it. So do you want them not to be able to play because they can't find a certain file, or do you want them to play? I'm not gonna make any money from this because I'm gonna put it on a direct link, so there's gonna be no money from clicks. So if there's any issues to any of the modders, hit me up on my YouTube channel. Of course, hit me up on a personal message. Or hit me up on a personal message on the Minecraft forum, and you know, tell me, and then I'll take your file out. You know what I'm saying? It's not a really big deal, but I will not be ad flying this or anything to get clicks for money. So I'm just doing this for my viewers so that they can install all these mods and enjoy your mods, because this is what it's all about. So with that, thank you everybody for watching this video, and I hope this was as informative as I could be, and no errors, which is epic. They fixed that error in the end, which I usually thought was there, but they fixed it, so kudos to that. And yeah, so take care everyone. May the Schwartz be with you. Peace.